ahead. This is really quite a stellar pickup for HT family, having competed at Worlds, but faltering yesterday. They are back at their full potential with really...
This is how close the matchup is, and we have ICU. He is a very experienced attacker. He's been one of the core members of HT family since they charged into the esports scene last year's qualifiers, and he did use this exact attack strategy yesterday, Woody, for the 3 stars. And actually, I'm looking at the percentage down the bottom. It all looks tied up to our little scoreboard, but we know KOG is that 1 percentage point in the lead.
Yeah, a fraction of a single percentage. We're not dividing them out for the overlay here, but it's just a tiny, tiny advantage for GKKOG. But hey, if we just do see 3 stars all the way out, that will be enough to carry them over the edge and onwards in this elimination bracket. The team that loses here and now will be sent packing home and will have to try another month. The team that wins has an opportunity still to claim one of the 2 tickets that we have to hand out to face off again later this year.
Oh, I'm not sure whether he wanted a little bit more from the Royal Champion here. That central multi-inferno, he's missed it. I thought maybe he would try and freeze something there to try and get it, because it's very low in health. He's just hoping that the dragons get there quick enough and knock it down. Obviously, the freeze could be very crucial when it comes to the bat spells, and because of the dragon pathing, they should be able to get that relatively okay. We see that delayed battle blimp moving on through towards the town hall with a warden ability, capturing all of the dragons and the battle blimp, getting through all of the mines in the center of the base. I always like to see when a warden ability is perfectly timed through the traps, Woody.
Electro Dragon narrowly misses the Teslas on the outer edge, and that farm could be quite a bit of trouble for ICU. A couple of Dragon Riders are going to be splitting off now from the main fades on the center. They're going to have to go up onto the north side before they can do that clockwise sweep along the bottom. But take a look at the left. That's where the bats are coming in next. Oh, 1 bat goes down, but they missed the Wizard Tower, Judo.
That Wizard Tower is on a tiny little bit of health. 1 dragon was tanking it. Unfortunately, majority of the bats are out of range, Woody.
Okay.
Fantastic stuff here as the bats move on through. You can see the tension in ICU's eyes as the bats are caught in the tornado trap. They will go down. He would have liked those to help with cleanup, because there are some buildings to the top of the base, and everything seems to be caught on the king here. But with pretty much 30 seconds left, I still think he's got it. You can see the celebrations coming on through. So HT family keeping the pressure on here. And I do want to point out for anybody watching, if you were to watch this back, you could see there was a lot less DPS on this attack. That is damage from the defenses around where he put the bat spells in. That is how they survived. Got him the 3 stars, and HT family keeping the dream alive here, Woody.